Okay, everybody, today we're going to show you how to use our sequential modes here with two different options. So one of the things we can do is whenever you buy the regulator, this is the regulator here, power and ground, has your input for your control, which you can have a regular control or Bluetooth. Then it has your outputs going to your Halo, DRL, whatever sequential component you have. So if you want to run two, basically what you're going to do is once you get into the app, which is LED hue, you're going to simply highlight the first one you see, which will be SP110E, and you can hit rename. Once you rename it, then you can put whatever name you want. So for instance, on this one here, this customer, we have a separate one for the Halo, one for the DRL. So what you're going to do is at the first screen, you're going to be able to choose which one you want. So now we're going to the DRL. That's what we have on now. It's connected. We have our IC chip correctly. You're going to enter. Now we can control the DRL by itself. And of course, we also have the white boost with this one here. So now if we want to turn the DRLs off, just simply go here in the right hand corner, turn it off. Now we can highlight the Halo, turn the Halo on, enter, and then the same thing. We can control the Halo individually now. And then you just tap the center. That's going to take you to your automatic mode. The center line, it's going to be your brightness, your speed, your speed. The first one is going to be your brightness. So you can lower down the brightness a little bit, raise it all the way up. And once again, with our system, the RGBW, not only do you have that white, but you can also do a white boost, or you can lower the first bar and have a pure white. Most people like to run them with both whites on. It just makes it so much nicer and brighter. So let me show you here. We'll go back to our DRL. Enter there. Actually, first let's turn it back on. Now our DRL's on. Now we have our white there. So you can see how bright these are. So here at night, you're really going to have a really good bright light. Let me turn this one back up. Go back to the red. Now you can either do automatic mode, or if you just hit to the center again, now you can do whichever mode you feel like you want. So say on this one here, we decided we want to go red. Slow that one down. Go back out, we'll go to the Halo. To that one. Turn the white down. We can have the Halo, say on another red mode. You can have it on white mode. Go to green, different colors. And like I say, you just mess around with these here and you'll find something you like. That way you can do different patterns, so your DRLs will be different from your Halo, and it'll all operate with this one here. But reminder, if you want to operate them individually, you will need separate regulator, separate remote, which is sold on the website. And for each component that you want to control individually, you will need it. So for this one here, we have two, since we're running both of the DRLs on the same controller and the Halo's separate. So if you wanted to run the headlights, the lower DRL, and the Halo separate on this system here, you would need 3 regulators, 3 controls. Okay. If you have any questions, just visit us on our website, cameralights.net. Thank you.